Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are looking at some skincare that's upwards of $30 to $40 for 99 cents, which is crazy. I kind of mentioned this in yesterday's video, and I know a couple of you have been to the store and you've been doing what I've been explaining because I've been seeing those photos on Instagram and the hauls on Instagram. So I'm just going to talk about this quickly on how to do this in store. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up while you've just made my Wednesday. If you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Before we hop into all of the really cheap skincare, if you want a free 8x10 print by the 22nd, which is Thursday, use the code 8-10 exactly on the screen. It's one per store card, and sometimes you get like a booster when you go pick these up, so you might luck into something. But I would definitely go and make an 8x10 print just in case you might get a paper booster. That would be fantastic. So a couple days ago, I was talking about these two. I'm like, you should load them right away. And if you look at the actual coupons, the top one is $15 off of one super serum. The bottom one is $10 off of one fancier Regenerist serum eye, blah, blah, blah. But the devil really is in the details with these OLAY coupons, because the last 2 months we've been getting many, but you want to make sure that it's like a large amount off of one, not, $12 off of two, because the savings are just not as big. So obviously, we're looking to load these two, which is a 10 off of one and an 8 off of one, depending what you can find. Because right now, guys, look at the amount of digital coupons that I have. I have a 4 off, I have a 12 off of 2, and I have an 8 off of 2. Well, all of those don't stack up as great as a 10 off or an 8 off of 1. So hopefully you can follow what I say. I made a video last week on how to remove coupons. I'll link it at the end if you have no idea how to do it. But we want the higher value for this little card game. So you have to do this in store. And if you open up the Walgreens app, at the top right-hand corner, there's that little camera thing. You can actually scan these orange barcodes to see, does your store have this in stock? You're going to have to go in store, bring it to a cash register and ask for a price check. For the most part, lots of stores don't even have them tagged properly. So they might be ringing up like $10.99 at the register, but then they're tagged at like, $24, and most people will leave it there. This one store was really cleared out, so I don't have the actual packaging to show you. But if you wanted to scan all of these barcodes with the app, you could see like, what does this packaging look like? Just to be on top of things. And then what we're looking for is these tags at $23.99. So you'll have to ask for a price check. And don't be shy to actually go up to a clerk who's doing stocking, because sometimes they have a handheld scanner called a Zebra, and say, hey, could you give me a price check on this? And be like super nice and smile and say, oh, I'm so sorry to bug you. And then they'll be like, absolutely, I will do this. But this is ideally some of the stuff that you're looking for. A lot of them are serums, and I'm going to show you what a serum box is. And even though, sometimes when people find clearance, they'll grab something and put it in a different section, be able to find it. And it happens a lot. Like sometimes things, someone's looking for something and they're going to buy like 2 or 3, and then they get a phone call and then they put it in the wrong, and then you're like, oh, there it is. So it's a lot of serums. So like the dropper at the top, this one was also in a different, it was on a bottom shelf, but it was this hyaluronic serum of some sort. And you guessed it, guys, that $10 digital did in fact attach. So I got this thing for 99 cents yesterday. So, I mean, if you can grab a handful of them, if, they're tagged a certain way, or if even not, like just a lot of these different serums, I showed you the tags and the different ones that are included. If you could possibly ask for a price check at photo or from a clerk, if the front end is really busy, they should be pretty cool to help you. And they're in these sort of boxes. And then just to give you visuals, because I did scan a bunch of like the tags. So we have the Collagen Peptide 24 Serum Fragrance Free at 1.3 ounces. So the original price $41.99, and it was down to $10.99 with the sticker, but somebody had bought it. Remember, with clearance, it's always a your mileage may vary, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might be the same in Texas, but might be different over in Maine. So it's a bit of a gamble, but for this stuff, I think it's worth the drive to the store, or if you're driving by, make it happen. We also have this retinol 24 night serum, and the original price is $34.99. This seems like a glorious product. And also, this is in a very thin box at $41.99. It's a deep puffing eye roller for the bags under your eyes. Original price $41.99 with that $10 digital. Magic. And you got to do this in store, guys. Unfortunately, curbside is not showing these clearance prices, or it would have all been cleared up right away. So good luck. Get out there, ask for the prices, and hopefully it lines up for you. Also on Sunday, I was like, you need to load these digital coupons. And I have been getting the Axe body wash very cheap because that's one product I really don't have in my stockpile. And I'm like, $7.50 digital coupon. Like, hello, that's a really good deal. And Fetch Rewards has this goofy rebate that if you spend $20 on various Unilever products, Axe body wash is included. It's like a spend $20, get back $5. I bought some on Sunday, and then I bought a little bit more yesterday, and I actually qualified for my $5 reward. So just to show you the full amount is tracking, boom, here it is. So if you are inclined to look for some of this, I definitely would. It's just fantastic. And they were $5.99 each, so the $11.98 tracked fully. Good luck, guys. I would get out and look for that serum if that's your thing. I know all of us love that fancy skincare. Good luck. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.